tomorrow. Slight chance of activity for the valley, looks like about 20%. Then we see an increased chance in precipitation.
North move right into our area, and it gives us scattered showers, or the possibility for scattered showers for tomorrow, with the bulk of the moisture coming in on Monday. So models show.
And then we start to cool down even more, enjoying that cooler air for your Tuesday before we warm up and we dry out and we get back up into those 90s. Well, I wanted to show you real quickly some activity on the other side of the country. Hurricane Joaquin, we're tracking that still a ways off the U.S. coastline. Obviously, it's not going to affect us other than all of this very and it'll linger into our Tuesday morning commute for us as well. Here's what we can expect for overnight lows for tonight. 65 expected for Mesa, 69 for Scottsdale, 68 for Peoria, 71 for Sky Harbor. 48 for St. John's, 34 for Flag, 39 for Window Rock, and then 67 degrees for Tucson, and then into tomorrow anywhere from 89 for Globe to 92 for Lake Havasu, upper 60s Grand Canyon, low 90s for Gila Bend, 82 for Douglas, and then we'll see about 80 degrees for Page. So tonight into tomorrow, we're going to see about 70 degrees, a little bit of cloud cover, and then into your afternoon, we'll see 93. Those temperatures then getting into double digits.
The start of the week.
For the forecast for Monday and Tuesday, and also the chance for some fall rain.
Is this the first time we haven't seen triple digits on a 10-day in quite a while?
At least since I've been out a few.
Missing container ship at sea, 33
or not, but it's been, yeah, certainly even the
improves to 3-2, 1-1 in conference play. Next up, they'll host.
Tuesday and Wednesday we had 107, 106. This past week,
the afternoon temperatures cooler, but also evening already before we've really seen the cool down. It feels like that break in the summer heat we're finally enjoying.
We wait for that every year.
Yes,
all right,
it's here.
Christy, thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
A young girl wins a powerlifting competition with some very impressive numbers for her age. What she says.
Awareness Month. Well done, guys.
Eventually, you can see it stays out to sea. So
hizo una jugada individual para dar algo. Llame al 602-885-99.
That closely tonight, as they are still seeing some very heavy rain at this hour. Meanwhile, back here at home, a very quiet day, and we actually had one of our first freezes in the high country. Look at those lows this morning, dropping into the 20s in spots like Flagstaff at the Grand Canyon. Parks also saw temperatures in the 20s, so a very cold morning up north. Here, we were nice and cool and comfortable. Our temperatures this morning dropped into the 60s to right around 70 degrees in the valley. Phoenix dropping to 70 before topping out at 95 degrees. Very seasonable temperatures across the valley today. You'll notice we topped out in the low 90s in Casa Grande, 90s out to our west as well, with 60s in Flagstaff for highs today. Now we're looking at those temperatures sitting in the 80s from Bullhead City down to Quartzsite, upper 70s at this hour in Casa Grande, 81 degrees in Phoenix. And we've got some nice 70s to low 80s valley wide here under those clear skies, shaping up to be a very nice night again in the Valley of the Sun. Quiet across the valley and clear to mostly clear across much of the state. We've had a few light showers through that far southeast pocket of our state here in the last few hours, but those are continuing to push off to the east. Overall, expecting quiet weather through tonight. But then we track big changes. An area of low pressure is racing down the California coast, and eventually it's moving into our state. And it's going to start to approach tomorrow. So out ahead of it, we're going to start to feel the winds first. Tomorrow, a breezy to windy day, valley-wide and statewide. And then as that storm system starts to move in late Sunday into Monday, the rain chances go up. So gusty winds tomorrow, those winds increasing by mid-morning here in the valley. We're going to get some gusts between 25 and 30 miles an hour. And then again, rain chances increase tomorrow with
televisor Samsung de 32
afternoon and evening that we see a 20% chance for storms here in the valley, and then Monday those storm chances get even higher. Something to keep in mind, storms that develop over the next few days could be on the strong side, so you'll want to stay alert. Keep that ABC 15 mobile app handy.
Pitcher in baseball history to throw 2 no-hitters.
Tomorrow, the best potential looks to be on Monday for us with a 40% chance for storms, and then gradually we'll start to taper those storm chances off Wednesday into Thursday. But could be an active few days here from tomorrow through Tuesday, and then Monday, Tuesday, those storms could again be on the strong side with strong winds, gusty winds rather, heavy rain, and even hail not out of the question. So we'll be watching for that over the next few days. Tonight, here's your lows. Down into the 60s to 70s valley wide. You'll notice should be a comfortable start to your day tomorrow. Tomorrow, then, highs top out in the low 90s, very close to average for this time of year, with temperatures gradually warming into those low 90s by the afternoon. Clouds gradually increasing as well. Then, guys, when the rain chances move in, highs only make it into the 80s.
Don't mind that one bit, Iris. Thank you. Hey, the Sun Devils trying to make it rain a little redemption tonight in LA against UCLA.
No, hey, you called it. I'm telling you what. Mission.
Te esperamos hoy en nuestro noticiero Telemundo Arizona.
Mi hijo pensaba que con cruzar la frontera el 4 de julio íbamos a lograr el sueño americano. Yo también.
Cuéntanos, ¿cómo llegaste tú? Comparte tu historia en Instagram, Facebook o Twitter.